3 men shot, 2 fatally in Nannyville Gardens. Clarendon teen fatally shot during reported confrontation with cops. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 2 men were reportedly shot and killed and another man injured in Nannyville Gardens, St. Andrew on Monday night. The deceased have been identified as 34-year-old DeMark Pink and 25-year-old Stephen Wallace of Kingston Tree addresses. The Jamaica Constabulary Forces communication arm confirmed the incident, stating that it took place around 9:30 p.m. at a parking lot between Eastern Douglas Drive and Abu Way. It is reported that the residents heard explosions and called the police. Upon the arrival of the lawmen, Pink and Wallace were reportedly seen suffering from gunshot wounds to the upper body. The men were assisted to the hospital where Pink and Wallace were pronounced dead. The third victim was admitted to hospital. A 19-year-old man was fatally shot during a reported confrontation between police in Clarendon. The deceased has been identified as Rockoi Cunning of Maypen address. Reports are that about 2:15, people doing business along Manchester Avenue in the parish were sent scampering for cover after they heard loud explosions sounding like gunfire. Minutes later, a police team was seen leaving the area. The information soon emerged that a man was fatally shot by members of the police team. He was later identified as Cummins. Police stated that the matter has since been reported to the Independent Commission of Investigation.